Today we'll talk about how can you enable connection loss notifications on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go up of here, click in this sign here. When just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on options, just click on it. Then it's going to take you, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on notifications, just click on it. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you come here to connection lost. Just click in this sign that like you say sign, it's gone here. That's main connection loss notifications enable with us now. So in here can you select sounds. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.